I want to show you how to customize your notebook from this to this. That sounds unbelievable, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Do you want to surprise somebody maybe on a birthday but you don't have much money to buy many books or to pay somebody to do this for you? Okay, I'm going to show you how to customize the person's image, even if you want to put the person's image on this notebook, on this exercise book, or you want to surprise your kid, your child, on a special notebook, okay, that has his or her face on top of the notebook, and you don't have much money to do it, or you don't have money to pay somebody to do it for you. Okay, after watching this video, you will be able to do this thing by yourself. You don't need to pay anybody. So now, the first thing you are going to do, let me tell you, the first thing you are going to do, you are going to get a notebook just as you always buy in the market. Just get a notebook the way it is now. And after that, you design your notebook. All right. So if you don't know how to design your notebook, I will drop a full video of how to design a beautiful notebook. You can call it exercise book in the description of this video. So you can check it later and you will know how to design a perfect and beautiful notebook, even if you don't know how to design before. So that video is going to teach you everything. Now, after designing, you copy the soft copy of that's your exercise book, the one you've just designed, okay? Copy it and go to a printing press, the one that is closer to you. Now, since you want to print maybe one or two or five copies, that is just small copies of printing. It is not much. If you want to print 20, no problem. 20 copies, 50 copies, no problem. So as far as it is not much copies, you can use DI machine to print it, direct image printer. Okay, you can use it to print, and after printing it, you are going to print it. You are going to have it something like this. Okay, you are going to have something like this. So you do that your design on A3. You do that your design on A3. The video I leave in the description below will show you how to measure the sizes of your exercise book while you are designing. Okay, so you check that video now, and then after that, the next thing you are going to do is for you to get this notebook that you bought. You detach the original cover. Just detach the original cover. This is very perfect if you don't want to. You detach the original cover, you see, so they are separate now. So it is perfect if you don't have much budget, you just want to do something sharp sharp and surprise somebody. Okay, that is the essence of this one. Okay, now look at this. You bring this one to the one that you customize, okay, and then put it together, centralize it. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. You centralize it. Now when you centralize it, you remove it, and then remember to centralize it from here. Okay, wow. So now this is what we have. Okay, now what you are going to do now is that you are going to make use of your scissors and cut it from where it stops, from where the design stops. So I'm going to cut this out. Make sure it aligns very well so that you don't trim out the design. So I'm going to cut this out. Okay, watch me as I'm doing this. This is very, very interesting. Okay, I'm going to cut this out. I think you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I cut this out also, and I cut this out. Okay, believe you see what I'm doing. Okay, Now you put back your notebook. Hey, you are going to love what I'm going to do. Hey, you see? Can you see it now? Now, assuming it is your face that is here, your face will now show on this notebook. Okay? I know you like it. I know you like it. So, if there is anything remaining, you can trim it out. If there is any excesses, you can trim it out, trim it out, trim it out. And then the trimming is now perfect. Trimming is now perfect. Okay, so we have this. Now, what next do you do? You can use a stapler. You can use a stapler to staple it. Okay. If you're doing it up to 20, just use stapler and staple it. Okay. But if you don't have stapler, the easiest way to do it is for you to use gum. You can use any gum that can gum the cover and the inside of the book. Apply your gum. When you apply your gum, so now I am applying my gum. Okay, this is very beautiful. It is something that if you pay somebody, they will charge you so much. Okay, they will charge you so much. So I don't want you to spend that money. So if you like the video I'm teaching you, if you like this tutorial, like my video, subscribe to my channel, because this is something that is going to save you a lot of money. If you ask somebody to do this for you, they will charge you so much money. Okay, can you see it now? So our customized exercise book is ready. You can do this to surprise your kid. You can do this to surprise a friend on a birthday. You can do this to give to your son, to your daughter, while he or she is returning to school and her face is on the book. Okay, and your daughter or your son will be very happy. That your special friend will be very happy. So I believe this video you have learned something new today. So like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you can drop that question in the comment section. If you have anything you don't understand, drop a question in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Now, do you know what? If you want to commercialize making money from printing notebooks like this, especially for schools, and you make money that can give you at least 200,000 every month. At least. For me, I do make more than that every month. So you check this video. This video is going to show you everything, how to commercialize your notebook printing, print it for schools in Nigeria and make money every day. Thank you. See you in the next video.